Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have tools ready. Now begin. Install Node, JS and open your editor, then scaffold a project with your chosen framework so code structure exists. Once done, initialize a Git repository and commit the initial scaffold. This preserves progress and enables rollbacks. Make sure you add ESLint and prettier configurations to avoid style drift. Finally, create a simple homepage component and run the dev server so you can see live updates as you code. Now focus on the heart of your app. Build reusable UI components and centralize state so components stay predictable. Then add routing and an API service layer. Separate concerns by using environment variables for endpoints and keys. Once components connect to services, write unit tests for critical functions to catch regressions early. Also set up a simple CI job that runs tests and builds on push. This gives you fast feedback and ensures the app compiles before deployment. To finish, prepare a production build and deploy to your chosen host, making sure environment variables and build commands match your CI settings. Once deployed, enable logs and basic analytics so you can confirm traffic and errors. Add error reporting for uncaught exceptions. If something breaks, reproduce the issue locally first, then inspect cores, environment variables, and build output for missing assets. If that fails, roll back to the last green commit and iterate with targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.